Ever tried tying a simple knot at the end of your thread and somehow failed 5 times in a row? Yeah, we've all been there. Today, I'm going to show you the one trick that makes this knot work every single time. No more frustration, no more wasted thread. Here's the scene. You thread your needle, you're ready to sew, and then the knot. You wrap it, you pull it, and it just slips right off the end. You try again. It slips again. By the 5th attempt, you're staring at a tangled mess, wondering if sewing is even for you. This happens to literally everyone, beginners and even people who've been sewing for years. So why does this happen? Most people try to tie a regular knot like they would with a shoelace, but thread is too thin and slippery for that kind of knot. It just doesn't have enough friction to hold. What you actually need is called a quilter's knot or tailor's knot, and it works completely differently. Here's exactly how to do it. First, thread your needle as usual. Next, take the long end of the thread between your thumb and index finger, holding the needle steady. Now, wrap the thread around the tip of the needle 2 or 3 times, like a tiny coil. Keep those wraps snug together, not loose. Then, still pinching the wraps with your fingers, slide them down the length of the needle, all the way to the end. As you slide, the coil tightens into a small, firm knot right at the tip of the thread. Pull the needle all the way through, and there it is, a perfect knot every time. Common mistakes? Wrapping too loosely. The coil falls apart before it tightens. Or pulling too fast. You want a slow, steady slide, not a